Hello, H&B hackers. In this video, we'll be sharing a couple of quick and effective health hacks that can help you feel better and calmer in just 60 seconds if you struggle with panic or anxiety attacks. These attacks can leave you feeling overwhelmed, scared, and out of control. But the good news is that there are simple things you can do to manage your symptoms and feel better fast. In this video, we will share a quick health hack that can help you calm your nerves and stop panic and anxiety attacks in their tracks. So, let's get started. Panic and anxiety attacks are a common problem for many people. These attacks can be triggered by stress, fear, or other emotions, and they can leave you feeling like you're losing control. The good news is that there are things you can do to manage your symptoms and feel better fast. One of the most effective ways to calm your nerves and stop panic and anxiety attacks is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a type of meditation that involves focusing your attention on the present moment. This can help you stay calm and centered even when you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed. To practice mindfulness, start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit down and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Now, focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also try counting your breaths. Inhale and count to 4, then hold your breath for a count of 7, then exhale to a count of 8, or so on. This can help slow down your breathing and calm your nerves. Another effective way to manage panic and anxiety attacks is to use a technique called square breathing. This involves inhaling for 4 counts, holding your breath for 4 counts, exhaling for 4 counts, and then holding your breath for 4 counts before inhaling again. Repeat this pattern several times until you feel more relaxed and centered. Congratulations! You've just learned a powerful health hack that can help you feel better and calmer in just 60 seconds. The 4-7-8 breathing technique and the square breathing technique are 2 easy and effective ways to calm your nerves and stop panic and anxiety attacks in their tracks. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed or anxious, give these techniques a try and see how it can help you feel better and more in control. We hope that these tips have been helpful and that you feel more confident in your ability to manage panic and anxiety attacks. Remember, mindfulness and other stress management techniques can be incredibly effective in helping you stay calm and centered, even in the face of difficult emotions. So, the next time you feel anxious or overwhelmed, take a deep breath and try one of these techniques. We wish you all the best on your journey to better health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.